everyone, I'm Samantha from New Indu. Today we are diving into the CAT 323GX, the mid-size hydraulic excavator that redefines the sweet spot between the rugged reliability, steady productivity, and budget-friendly operating costs. Built on Caterpillar's decades of proven heavy equipment engineering, this big guy has a standard operating weight of 21,350 kilograms, engineered to take on demanding job site conditions day after day. At its core is a CAT safe 4.4 diesel engine with a gross rate power of 129 kilowatt. And remarkably, it runs with no diesel exhaust fluid required, cutting out unnecessary downtime and extra consumable costs. Fuel efficiency is where this excavator truly shines. Compared with the classic 323D2L, it slashes fuel consumption by up to 15%. Over 1,800 working hours a year, that translates to 4,320 liters fuel saved. Real tangible fuel savings for your bottom line. On the work front, it reaches a maximum digging depth of 6,710 minimums, paired with a 1.2 cubic meter GDX bucket that packs 141 kilonewton of digging force to power through tough soil and rock. With 3,000 hours hydraulic oil service intervals and a maintenance-free battery, service costs stays low, uptime stays high. So this 323GX isn't just another excavator, it's a smart, hard-working investment that delivers profit every hour on the site. Let us know in the comments what jobs you'd put this machine to work on, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more heavy equipment deep dives.